This 2023 NuCamp TAB 400 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used NuCamp is 18 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, stovetop burner, self-contained, smoke detector, TV antenna, skylight, leveling jacks, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 NuCamp TAB 400 is 2,844 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.